there's less snow. So there is currently less snow on the floor, but I'm not worried because for the next, I think 6 days, I think 4 of them are going to be snowing. So we're going to get some nice dumpage. It's going to be good. I've been up since 4 or 5 in the morning local time. I don't know why. Yesterday I woke up at 7, so I thought, oh, jet lag's over. Today 4 AM, wide awake. Not fun. It's now like 7. I've got to enter my bank account, SIN, etc. on like a UKG website thing. So I'm going to try and do that here, and then I guess I'll breakfast and yeah, we'll see what the day entails. Let's do this. Let's do admin work and make today our bitch. If you ever load. I think we're just going to find a place in the town that we can like have Wi-Fi, a plug, and then try and sort out all this admin stuff, because password on my phone is just not it. And you see Outdoor Master? If you use code MSJ20 between November and December, you get 20% off. And then it goes back to 15, but you can buy some stuff, check them out. Yeah, let's see where we end up. Well, our trip to the town didn't really go too well because literally everything is shut. But we did meet some people from Whitefoot that we saw last time. However, this is now what we're dealing with. Is it going to focus for me? Here we go. 2 hours and 16 minutes remaining for one video. And this is our other problem. 15 gig already. So yeah, we're gonna wait for this to do it, and then hopefully you guys will all see what happened when I was packing to go, because it's gonna be like 5 days offset, but hey, you know, it's all good. So Jack has decided to work next door doing I don't know what, like getting the house ready. So I probably won't be able to record it, but I'm going to work. Not as a snowboard instructor. I've come the whole way across the world and I'm still doing the same shit I was doing when I left. Fuck! Alright, see you in a bit. Bye bye.
Jack. Missed it. Record that again. That's frozen. See if we can get that big bit off. Just Jack being a lumberjack.
That's a good shot. Well, it's done. You can get down to it now. Well, that was definitely a weird day. So what actually happened was a guy put on Facebook that he needed some help doing some snow clearing, fixing up some rooms and stuff. And then Jack, that you seen in the other video, was like, yeah, I'll do that. And when he got there, they basically said they needed 2 people. So Jack messaged me, and it's literally it's the house just there, like the one I look at every morning. It's that house. So yeah, turned up, did some stuff. So we made up some beds, did some IKEA stuff, did some snow clearing. Went and collected the bed from some other random person. Brought that back, and yeah, so it was an interesting day. And apparently he wants us to help him tomorrow. I think he has some stuff to pick up from Revelstoke, and I think he has some stuff to do down in Kelowna. So it was interesting. It beats sitting around doing nothing. We can't snowboard yet, so yeah, interesting times. So I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow. My video has uploaded, which is good. It has eaten a shit ton of my data. I have sourced another way to get Wi-Fi, which I'm not going to divulge how, but basically I now have an internet connection. I'm very happy of how I got it, but I can't tell you what I did. I cannot disclose what I did. If you pressure me enough, I might tell you, but chances are probably not. But yeah, so that's today. A day in the life of a handyman. Damn, my teeth look good, man. Fuck's sake. Yeah, cool. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. See you in the next one. Peace out.